We've travelled to Headline Filters today on behalf of White House Machine Tools, and we are going to find out why they've not only invested in one or two, but three Biglia machines. We've travelled to Headline Filters in Kent on behalf of White House Machine Tools, and we're talking Biglia machines. Rob is the director here, and Rob, you'd never heard of Biglia before you started investing in them, did you?
No, not at all. It was actually one of our tooling reps that suggested that we looked at them, having seen the results they got at another company. So we contacted White House and went from there.
And, well, to be honest, where you're at now, let's fill you in. You've got three Biglia machines. You've also got a spinner machine. Talk us through the process of investing in the Biglia machine.
So we needed to look at a twin spindle machine. Obviously, we looked at the Biglia, spoke to White House, and then the first machine came in. And I think before the end of the first run of jobs, we were like, wow, we can see the results. So we ordered the second one, and then the third and the spinner followed soon after that.
So, let's go back to the beginning. What was your desire for getting the twin spindle machine? What was going wrong, or not wrong, but what wasn't working to the point where you're like, no, I need to start investing?
Okay, so we had probably 3 or 4 record years on a spin, which took quite a hard hit on stocks, and then lead times were extended to get product to customers. So we needed to do something. We've only got a limited amount of space, so twin spindle was the way to go. And then, obviously looking at all the different machines available. White House actually suggested that we didn't need some of the smart turns and bigger machines, and that the Biglias would do what we needed to do. So a bit of cost saving there as well.
And obviously it's been a great success for you by going from one to the next. But from the beginning, how have they helped you? How have White House not just provided you with a machine, but they've created quite a turnkey project for you?
As I mentioned before, didn't really know anything about White House, but came down, they helped us spec the machine. And it wasn't just that, they then helped us get the first 2 jobs up and running. So when the machine came in, it was ready to go. They spent the first 2 weeks here helping us get off the ground. Service department's always been great. Anything goes wrong, they're here the next day. Always on the phone, pick up the phone. Yeah, they've been excellent.